What are you doing, Lala?
Are you eating green beans?
What are you eating over there on St. Patty's Day? You have something green on your tray. Are you eating what's green? Your green beans? No, I'm just eating my ziti, Mama. Huh? Just eating a ziti. What do you got? Here, one piece. That's for you. What do you think? What's today? Is today St. Patrick's Day? Huh? You got your green on. Hi, you little... Yeah, green is on. Hi, leprechaun. Who's my little leprechaun? Miranda. Hi.
Hey.
Hi. That's attractive. Eat one of your green beans. Good girl. Yummy, yummy. Those are delicious. Huh? Is it delicious? Look at those teeth. I see them. Yeah. I see your teeth. Oh, you're trying to get the rest of it? Okay. Oh, putting it back in the bowl. Nice job. Nice job. Oh, cleaning up? What a good girl. Want to say bye-bye? Miranda, look. Bye-bye. 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 I love you. Hi.
No, bye. Bye.
What are you saying? Did I see you wave? Bye. Bye-bye. Bye, cutie face. Happy St. Patrick's Day.